Hi guys, this is Jeannie. What's up? So my face is pretty flat and fat, but this makeup look really gives my face more dimension and definition and just makes me less naked, more rat looking. If you guys want to learn how to catfish with me, then keep on watching. So I already primed and prepped my face, and I already used this cushion foundation beforehand and also did my eyebrows as well to save some time. But if you want a separate video on it, I can always do that. But I'm going to jump right into contouring. I'm using this Etude House Play 1-on-1 stick and using the contouring side. So I'm going to carve out these areas starting with my nose. I am tracing down a line to each side of my nose and also the tip of my nose and the bottom edge of my cheekbones, my hairline and the jawline and towards my chin. Now just get a small blending brush and just blend out all the harsh lines. This contour stick is super creamy and blendable, so you definitely won't have a hard time with it. So I'm using this dense fan-like brush to just blend out my cheekbones to keep the blending in place. I love how this brush is just so defined, so you know your contour won't look so muddy. And I'm using this as well to blend out the jawline, the chin area, and the hairline. Next, I'm going to use this coral blush, and this is very subtle. I'm just adding this to the apples of my cheeks and blending it out towards the contour area, and it just has a nice seamless look. It's not super pigmented, but just gives a smidge of color. Now once again, I'm just grabbing the Play 101 stick again, using the highlighter side this time, and I'm just putting this down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, just a smidge underneath my bottom lip, and adding some on my brow bone. And lastly, underneath the contour cheekbone area. Now I'm just using a brush that can give me a little bit more precision and has a slightly denser brush area. That's not my toothbrush, don't worry. And just once again blend it out. And this blends like a dream. I love the formula, so you could even get away with using your fingers, your clean fingers. Next, I'm using the Too Cool for School Art Class Palettes highlighter and just layering that onto the highest points of my cheekbone. It's very subtle but very pretty, and I'm also adding that to the bridge of my nose. So before I start doing my eyes, I'm just going to use this mineral powder for underneath my eyes and also adding a slight amount to my lids. I already primed my eyes, but I realized this step with the powder really helps for, you know, preventing smudging of the eye makeup throughout the day. So yeah, just really give this a try. It really works for me. Now going on to the eyes, I'm using this chocolate bar looking palette, and this palette's so cute, it makes me hungry. But don't need it. I'm using this matte dark brown for the outer corner of my lids. And I'm just going to keep the eyes very simple, but just want to add some dimension to it. So I'm blending this out toward my fake crease area. And as you notice, I have monolids, so I don't exactly have a crease, but you can use this trick to just give you sort of an illusion of one. And you can always clean up the edges with the foundation you use, so don't worry too much when blending and if it looks slightly messy. Now I'm just using this light cream color with some slight sparkles in it and adding that more towards the middle and inner lids and just giving a little bit of a transition to the outer color. And I'm also using a matte nudish shade to add to the brow bone area. Next, I'm going to use this pencil eyeliner to tightline and for my waterline. And I'm using this waterproof felt tip liner to create a sharp wing eyeliner. And I like to make the wing first and then connect it to the eyeliner of my lids. And finally, to pull the whole look together, I'm adding some falsies. Yes, it makes a huge difference. And using a lash curler to blend my real lashes to my fake lashes. And using this mascara, I'm just going to add a little bit to the top and a little bit to the bottom. Finally, I'm going to use this really cute rose lip shine to complete the look. I'm using this pink red color. And just blotting it for a more natural look. This also helps your lipstick to last throughout the day. Ta-da! We are done. And thank you for watching. Let's be friends on Instagram. It's @JanieSeo. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!